we need to talk about your eyes. You humans have these giant, round, watery eyes. For some reason, you love to stare at us. You sit on the couch and you just look. To you, it's love. To us, it is a threat. In the wild, unblinking eye contact is a declaration of war. It is what a predator does right before they pounce. So when you stare at us across the room without blinking, we don't feel adored. We feel like we are about to become dinner. Today we are teaching you the only way to say I love you in our language. It's time to learn the art of the slow blink. Welcome to Weepy and Wacky Psychology. First, you have to understand why we do it. For a cat, closing our eyes is a risk. We are hunters, but we are also prey. If we close our eyes in the presence of another animal, we are defenseless. So when we look at you and slowly close our eyelids, we aren't just being sleepy. We're handing you a loaded gun and saying, I trust you not to shoot. It is the ultimate sign of vulnerability. It releases oxytocin in our brains, which is basically a cat kiss. And honestly, you should be honored we do it at all, considering how often you steal our poop. Now, it's your turn. Most of you try to do it and you look insane. You squeeze your eyes shut like you are in pain. Here is the proper technique. It's called the Squint and Swoop. First, relax your face. Drop your eyebrows. Second, slowly narrow your eyes until they are half closed. Third, close them fully for 1 second. Oh. And finally, and this is the part you forget, open them slowly and look away. That look away is crucial. It breaks the tension. It says, I see you, I love you, and I am not going to attack you. If you want to be cool, try the lazy wink. Sometimes a full blink is too much effort. We are busy. We have naps to take. So we might just give you a one-eyed twitch or a half-lid droop. This is the equivalent of a human chin nod. It's casual. It means we are good, bro. If you wink at us and we wink back, that is a high-level bond. That is a secret handshake. Don't make a big deal out of it, or you'll ruin the moment. You don't believe us? Asked the scientists. Researchers at the University of Sussex proved that cats are significantly more likely to approach a stranger if that stranger slow blinks at them first. If you stare, we stay away. If you blink, we come closer. So, if you are one of those people who complains that cats aren't friendly, it's probably because you are staring at us like a serial killer. Soften your gaze. Squint a little. You will be surprised how quickly we teleport to your lap. But what if you slow blink at us and we just stare back? This is awkward. It means one of two things. One, we don't trust you yet. Maybe you move too fast. Maybe you smell like a dog. You have work to do. Two, we are in hunter mode. If our pupils are dilated, the black part is big. Do not blink at us. We are focused on a ghost in the corner. If you blink at us now, you are just distracting us from saving your life. So, here's your homework. Find your cat. Wait until they are relaxed. Look them in the eye. Count to 3. And slow. Blink. If they do it back, you are married. If they don't, well, keep buying us tuna until we change our minds. If you want to learn more ways to manipulate us, subscribe to Weepy and Wacky. Now, stop staring at me.